Namaskar dear children. So today our next topic is solution. So in early lesson we have discussed about the what is the mixture, how many type of the mixture, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, and so next today I am starting solution. What is the solution? When we are mix two solution, solid and liquid, and when they are completely mixed together, it is known as the solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more miscible liquid is called a solution. A homogeneous mixture which is completely mixed together and two or more miscible liquid, it is called the solution. Right. Next is, before is understanding the topic of the solution, we have to know the two terms here, solute and solvent. Before starting solution, we have to understand what is the solute and what is the solvent. Student, suppose हम mix कर रहे हैं, हमने water लिया है, we are taking water and mixing salt in this, right? We are mixing salt and this is the water. So, what is the solute and what is the solvent? A solute, everyone listen carefully because it's a very important. What is the solute and what is the solvent? A substance which is dissolved in a solvent, it is called the solute. A substance which is dissolved in a solvent, वह substance जो कि solvent में dissolve किया जा रहा है, वह substance जो कि solvent में dissolve किया जा रहा है, this is known as the solute. कौन सा substance है जो हमने solvent में dissolve किया है? हमने dissolve किया है salt. So here what is the solute? Salt. Salt is a solute. It's a very important. Salt is a solute and water is a solvent. Right. Next is solvent. What is the solvent? Liquid part of a solution in which a substance is dissolved. लिक्विड पार्ट जो होता है सॉल्यूशन का, जिसमें सब्सटेंस को डिसॉल्व किया जा रहा है, दैट इज द सॉल्वेंट एंड एग्जांपल इज वाटर. एग्जांपल इज वाटर. हियर एग्जांपल इज सॉल्ट एंड शुगर एंड हियर एग्जांपल इज वाटर. राइट. जहां पे हमने जिस सब्सटेंस को डिसॉल्व किया है, दिस इज द सॉल्यूट, एंड जिसमें हमने डिसॉल्व किया है, दैट इज द सॉल्वेंट. I hope you understood this solute and solvent. And when we mix salt and solute, जब हमने salt और solute को complete mix कर लिया है, so what will form? The solution will be formed. So we are taking many examples. When we are mix sugar in a water, then sugar is a solute and water is a solution. Sugar is a solute and water is a solution. I hope you all clear about the solute and solvent, but you have to learn the definition also. Substance which is dissolved in a solvent, it is solute. A liquid part of solution in which a substance is dissolved, that is the water. So next is thing, again we are dividing the solution. Types of the solution, we are dividing the solution. First is aqueous solution. Second is non-aqueous solution, then two solution, saturated solution and unsaturated solution. Student, these are terms are very important according to this chapter. So one by one you have to listen and watch carefully. First is aqueous solution. A solution in which water is a solvent. So solvent is clear, जिसमें हम सब्सटेंस को मिक्स करते हैं, दैट इज द सॉल्वेंट. सो अ सॉल्यूशन इन विच वाटर इज अ सॉल्वेंट, दिस इज द एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. जिस सॉल्यूशन में सॉल्वेंट वाटर होता है, दैट इज द एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. एग्जांपल इज सॉल्ट एंड वाटर. वी कैन टेक मेनी एग्जांपल इज दिस शुगर एंड वाटर. वाटर में हमने जो चीजें मिक्स की गई हैं, जो हमने सॉल्वेंट वाटर लिया है, दिस इज द एक्वस सॉल्यूशन. Next is the non-aqueous solution. This is the aqueous solution and non-aqueous solution. A solution in which water is not a solvent. जहाँ water solvent है, this is the aqueous solution. name on term also. Non-aqueous solution, a solution in which water, a solution in which water is not a solvent, it is the non-aqueous solution. Example is sulfur and carbon disulfide. There are many examples, but right now I have written here one example. You have to learn the one example. Sulfur and carbon disulfide. This is the non-aqueous solution. Again I repeat this. Aqueous solution, which is the solution which is the water is a solvent. Non-aqueous solution in which water is not a solvent. Salt and water, and this is the example is sulfur and carbon disulfide. So after this there is three main division also of solution. True solution, saturated solution and unsaturated solution. So you have to learn and listen everyone carefully because it's a very important term of this chapter. So true solution, solute particles completely dissolve in solvent and are not visible. जो भी solute particles हैं वो solvent में completely dissolve हो चुके हैं and they are not visible. That is the true solution. What is the true solution? A solute particles completely dissolved in a solvent, they are not visible. This is the true solution, right? Next is saturated solution and unsaturated solution. What is the saturated solution? A solution in which no more solute can be dissolved. Suppose स्टूडेंट हमने एक ग्लास लिया है और एक ग्लास में हमने 1 चम्मच सॉल्ट डाला है, तो एक सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन बन गया है. इसमें हमें और ज़्यादा सॉल्ट मिलाने की आवश्यकता नहीं है, हमें ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट अगर हम इसमें और 2-3 मिला लेंगे, बहुत एक्सेस हो जाएगा, तो वो अलग चीज़ हो जाएगी. तो सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन, अ सॉल्यूशन इन विच नो मोर सॉल्यूट कैन बी रिक्वायर्ड. जितना हमें सॉल्यूट मिलाना है दैट इज द सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. अनसैचुरेटेड, एक ग्लास वाटर में हमने चुट्टी भर नमक डाला है, चुट्टी भर, तो हम उसमें और ऐड कर सकते हैं. वी कैन ऐड मोर दिस. सो दैट इज द अनसैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. A solution in which more solute can be dissolved, this is the unsaturated solution. Saturated solution, student, we cannot add more solute in dissolve, and in unsaturated we can add more solute for dissolve, right? So I hope you all understood these types of solution and solution. First of all, again I revised all the solution is a two term made up by two type, a solute and solvent. A substance which is dissolved in solvent, this is the solute. जो में solvent में dissolve किया जाता है वो आपका solute है. Example आपका salt and sugar. Liquid part of solution in which a substance को solute, जिसमें substance को dissolve किया जाता है, that is the solvent. When solute and solvent combine, it will form a solution. Solutions are the many types of the solution. First is a aqueous solution. Second is non-aqueous solution. True solution, saturated solution, unsaturated solution. A solution in which water is a solvent. A solution in which water is a solvent. This is the aqueous solution, salt and water. A solution in which water is not a solvent. This is a non-aqueous solution, sulfur and carbon disulfide. True solution, solute particles completely dissolve in the solvent and are not visible. Saturated solution, a solution in which no more solute can be required. Unsaturated solution, a solution in which more solute can be required. So I hope you all understood this solution topic. So note down in your notebook everyone. Thank you so much.